All right, take 2. All right, Jonathan, charge it up. All right, go ahead, give it a shot. You gotta touch the part that you rubbed though, which is kind of more on the middle of the stick. I think you were kind of rubbing this part, so you'd have to touch that part to the electroscope. You could probably still do it. It's probably still charged. Okay, pull it away. Yeah, so do it again. It's charged a little bit, but we want to get it. You gotta go ahead and rub it again. We want to get it more charged than that. Did it seriously go back to where it started? Almost. Not quite. It's a little charged. Yeah, and just you pull it off. All right, that might be good. I think it's going to be good. So the electroscope is quite charged. Now, I think that the wool gave electrons to the rod. So I think the rod was negatively charged, which means that we introduced a negative charge to the electroscope, and right, the entire electroscope is negatively charged. That part's negative, the needle's negative. So we definitely can observe that the electroscope is now charged. If it was charged positive, we wouldn't be able to tell the difference, right? It would behave the exact same way. But the electroscope is negatively charged now. All right, Ruchi, can you just go ahead and touch the top of the electroscope? Let's try and discharge it. All right, you're not sweaty enough. That's a good thing. So Ruchi took some of the charge off the electroscope. She touched it and some of the charge went onto her, but most of that charge stayed on her hand because her skin wasn't like conductive enough to get it away. If you did your other hand, that should probably take some more off. And actually sometimes it helps to touch the bottom.
This part?
Yeah, and maybe even like jostle the needle a little bit. Sometimes it just gets stuck. We need some like inertia to get, yeah, great. So it's discharged now. Questions about what we did? Yeah.
If you try to jostle the needle while it's still charged, it'll just go back to where it was before.
If you try to jostle it with what?
A pen.
Oh, all right. So why don't you go ahead and charge it up? Go ahead. That should be fine. Okay. Now go ahead and get a pen. No, let it kind of stop bouncing around first. So let's do predictions. So Ben is going to you're going to touch the needle with the pen, right? All right. What's going to happen? So he's going to move the needle. Is he going to discharge it? Is it going to still be charged? Is it? I think it's still going to be charged. So I think that's good enough. You can go ahead and do it. Go ahead. He actually took a lot of the charge off of it. Not all of it is still charged, but he took a lot of the charge off of it. I'm a little bit surprised.
What if he didn't push it all the way so it touched the needle?
No, I don't think that matters. So what must have happened was charge did move on to the pen, and I asked him what he was going to touch it with, because if he touched it with a conductor, I think the situation would be different. But he touched it with an insulator, so I didn't think as much charge would go into the insulator as it did. So you took a lot of the charge off of it, but if you did it, do we have a conductor that we can do it with? Not really. Nobody has like a metal pen? It's not big enough. You have a metal pen? Why don't you get it, and Ruchi, can you recharge the electroscope?
Oh, I haven't.
All right, well, Michael, can you recharge the electroscope, please? Okay, great. All right, and we'll let it, we don't even really need to let it stop bouncing around. I think that's going to be similarly charged to what it was last time. So yeah, Ruchi, whenever you're ready, go ahead. And you can touch, it could be the needle, it could be this part, like whatever. So that's actually interesting that, and you touched it, yeah, try again. Yeah, so most of the charge is gone. Right. Any other questions about what we did with the electroscope? Okay, great. So